How's it going, guys? Welcome back. You know what? I was thinking about it after my last upload, and I was thinking, why don't I just share this with you guys? That way, if anyone's interested, they can see my progress of cleaning up my shed. And, some people like that, some people don't. If you don't, sorry. If you do, hey, here you go. So let's get started. These pliers, they don't go into the pliers bin, which is over there. They actually go into the electrical because they are the snap-on something or other. Do they not put part numbers on these things? I thought they did. Oh, duh. The biggest letters on there, PWCS7ACF. They are electrical. So this is a relay tester. I was just using it on a vehicle, on that Chevy 1500. This is the positive side, and the negative side is right here, and it's supposed to also have a clamp on it. I don't know where that is. It was on there last time I used it. Alright, well, that's it for tonight. That's all I could do. It looks halfway decent. I didn't touch anything over here. And that's kind of because I don't want to move the motorcycle. Plus, I don't have anywhere to put all that stuff yet. But what I did do is I organized in this drawer, things for the Dodge Dart, things for the Suburban that I need to install. Small things that need to be done to those cars to get them finished. And I also put away most of my tools. I still have tools scattered around here and there, but it's clean now, and hopefully it stays that way, at least as long as it can. While I'm doing those Christmas gifts, I won't be able to keep it too clean. There's some sanding involved. I can actually show you here. This is one part of the Christmas gift. So instead of buying gifts this year, I'm making them, and it's a lot more thoughtful, I believe, to make Christmas gifts. And I like making things that are actually functional. So this will be a functional thing in people's homes, hopefully. So as you guys saw, I cleaned the shed at 1 o'clock in the morning, and the rest of it's gonna have to wait till daytime. The various small projects I have It's gonna have to wait because it's dark. Plus it's windy and I hate the wind. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one.